right? So just write the values of everything. What do we have? AO. AO is what? Object distance, which is always denoted with U. Then A dash O. A dash O is image distance, which is always denoted as V. And lastly, the focal length F. From O to F, the focal length F. So AO is what? U, right? No, it's not right, it's wrong, because you always have to consider the Cartesian coordinates. What is that? Whatever distance which you are taking in the left side is supposed to be negative, and on the right side is supposed to be positive. Then on the upper side it is positive, and on the lower side it is negative. So AO is on the left side of the optical center, so it is supposed to be negative, so this is minus U. A dash O. A dash O is what? Image distance V is equal to OF. OF is the focal length on the positive side, so F upon A dash F. A dash F. This is V. A dash F is what? A dash O minus OF. So V minus F. This is V minus F, right? Now what do? We do the cross multiplication thing. So we have minus UV plus UF is equal to VF, right? This is next step. And the next step is dividing whole by UVF. You guys are going to do that in the next step. I am doing it right here. UVF, divide each and every term by UVF. So what do we get? UV cancels out, UF cancels out, and VF cancels out. You are left with what? Here I am left with minus 1 upon F. Minus 1 upon F is equal to, no, plus 1 upon V plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 over U. So bringing this F part here and 1 upon U there, I am left with 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So guys, see that there was just plain mathematics involved in doing this derivation. All you had to do, you have to remember these two triangles which you have to take separately, and then you have to prove these triangles similar. After proving them similar, just write down whatever thing is required. For example, height upon height equal to base upon base. You will automatically get two equations. Well, LHS will be equal to RHS, and then equate those, put the values UVF, and you will get the answer. There is nothing at all to remember this derivation. So guys, please don't remember this derivation. Do not try to cram it up, mug it up. Always start from the ray diagram. Make the ray diagram right, and you will automatically conclude to this point, which is absolutely right.